Picture this. You walk into your backyard after a long day, and suddenly, it's like stepping into a secret garden glowing with beautiful, enchanting lights. Now imagine this. You didn't spend a fortune to make it happen. In fact, you didn't even have to go to a fancy store. All it took were a few bucks, some creativity, and a trip to Dollar Tree or your local thrift store. Sound impossible? Stick with me for the next few minutes, because I'm about to show you 8 unbelievable garden lighting hacks that will not only blow your mind, but are super easy and cheap to make. These aren't just DIY ideas. These are game changers that will make your garden sparkle with magical lights, all for pennies. And I'm not talking about your average backyard lights. I'm talking about glowing lanterns, mystical stones, upcycled bottles that will leave you and your friends in awe. Ready to turn your garden into a stunning nighttime escape? Grab your supplies, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started. Before we jump in, smash that like button if you're ready to dive into these DIY hacks, and hit subscribe so you never miss a magical transformation like this one. Hack 1. DIY lantern jars. Let's kick things off with something simple yet oh so stunning: DIY lantern jars. Imagine walking down your garden path, and there, lighting your way, are these gorgeous lanterns. But here's the secret. You made them for next to nothing. Take a trip to your local Dollar Tree and pick up a mason jar. You won't believe how many possibilities you have with just one jar. Here's where fun begins. You can wrap the top with twine for a rustic look, paint the jar to match your garden's vibe, or even get creative with some glitter for a magical sparkle. Next, pop an LED candle or some fairy lights inside, and boom, your very own glowing lantern. These lanterns aren't just pretty. They're perfect for lining your garden path, hanging from trees, or creating a stunning centerpiece for outdoor gatherings. And the best part? These lanterns cost under $5. Hack 2. Glow-in-the-dark garden stones. Here's another DIY that'll make your garden come to life at night. Glow-in-the-dark garden stones. These are so easy to make, and I promise, when the sun sets, your garden will look amazing. All you need are a few smooth garden stones. Grab them from Dollar Tree, or just use what you have lying around. Next, grab some glow-in-the-dark paint and get creative. You can paint the top of the stones in any pattern or design you want. After they dry, place them along your garden path or in your flower beds. When it gets dark, these stones will glow with the most magical light, creating an enchanting effect that'll make your garden feel like something out of a storybook. All for just a few bucks. Hack 3. Upcycled bottle lights. Now for one of my absolute favorite DIY hacks. Upcycled bottle lights. You know those empty wine or soda bottles you were about to toss. Well, here's the thing. They're about to become the star of your garden lighting setup. Grab an empty bottle, some fairy lights, and prepare to be amazed. Simply slide the fairy lights into the bottle and let the glow shine through. Whether you leave a label on for that rustic vintage vibe or spray paint the bottle for a more modern look, these bottle lights will add a unique glow to your garden that's unlike anything you've seen before. The best part? They're completely free if you already have bottles lying around. How cool is that? If you watched till this point, do well to hit the subscribe button. Hack 4. Solar-powered pathway lights. Next up, we're going solar. Solar-powered pathway lights are a must-have for any garden. These little guys are not only eco-friendly, but they'll save you tons on your electricity bill. You can find these gems at Dollar Tree or your local thrift store for just a few bucks. It's an absolute game changer for lighting up your garden at night. Here's the magic. Simply place these solar lights along your garden paths and voila. When the sun sets, these babies will automatically light up your walkway, creating a soft, welcoming glow. The best part? You don't need any plugs or complicated setups. Just let the sun do all the work for you. These lights are a no-brainer and will make your garden look amazing at night. Hack 5. Tin lanterns. Here's another DIY that's so satisfying. Tin lanterns. All you need are some old tin cans, a hammer, a nail, and a bit of creativity. This is a fantastic way to recycle and turn something you're going to toss into a beautiful garden lighting fixture. Start by collecting any empty tin cans. They're everywhere. Use a hammer and nail to create your own design. whether it's stars, hearts, or geometric patterns. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Once you've got your design, pop a candle or an LED light inside, and the result is stunning. The light will shine through the holes, creating gorgeous patterns all around. And you can make these for next to nothing. These lanterns will add a unique rustic charm to your garden. And trust me, your friends won't believe you made them. Hack 6. Mason jar fairy lights. Now back to mason jars, because who doesn't love them? This next hack takes those simple mason jars and turns them into glowing fairy lights that are perfect for hanging from tree branches, lining your garden fence, or place around your garden for a warm, magical glow. Here's how it works. Grab a few mason jars, some fairy lights, and get ready to be amazed. Simply place the lights inside the jar and arrange them however you like. You can hang them from tree branches, place them on your patio, or even create a beautiful centerpiece. The glow from these jars will make your garden feel like a secret hideaway. They're super easy to make, and the best part? You can decorate the jars to fit your garden's theme. These glowing mason jars will completely transform your outdoor space. Hack 7. LED rope lights. Alright, let's step it up a notch with LED rope lights. These bad boys are perfect for adding a sleek, modern touch to your garden. The flexibility of these lights allows you to wrap them around trellises, garden fences, and even patio furniture, creating a beautiful, continuous glow that lights up your outdoor space like never before. Here's the cool thing. LED rope lights come in a range of colors, so you can match them to the vibe of your garden. Want a soft, calming blue? Or maybe a warm, golden glow to create that cozy ambience? You can do it all with LED rope lights. Just wrap them around anything, your pergola, your garden arches, or even along your garden's edges. Trust me, they make your space feel ultra-modern and inviting, and the best part? They're affordable, easy to install, and last for a long time. Hack 8. Floating lanterns. Now, here's one that's going to blow your mind. Floating lanterns. If you've got a pond, fountain, or even a small pool in your garden, this hack will completely transform it. Floating lanterns are exactly what they sound like, lanterns that float on water, creating a serene and magical atmosphere. To make these, you just need a few waterproof lanterns, some floating candles, or even LED lights that can float. Simply place them on the surface of your pond or pool, and when the night falls, the effect is breathtaking. These lanterns will glow on the water, casting soft reflections and creating a tranquil, dreamlike scene. You can use these to line the edges of your water feature or scatter them for a more random, enchanted look. Trust me, these floating lanterns will be the centerpiece of your garden, and they're so easy to set up. Look at that. Your dream garden is now a glowing oasis. You got everything from glowing mason jar lanterns and magical garden stones, to beautiful floating lanterns on your pond, and stunning LED rope lights to add that modern touch. All of these DIY hacks were easy, cheap, and perfect for any garden, big or small. Now, here's the best part. These are not just ideas. They're ready to be made today. So grab your supplies, get creative, and transform your garden into a magical retreat that will leave everyone in awe. Just think, all of this for just a few bucks, and sometimes spent crafting these simple but stunning lighting projects. If you enjoyed these hacks, do me a favor. Smash that like button, because this is only the beginning. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a DIY that'll make your home and garden more beautiful than ever. And hey, comment below and let me know which hack you can try first, or if you have your own ideas that you want to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where we'll keep lighting up your life with more easy and affordable DIY projects. Until then, happy crafting and glowing.